Let's unbox the all-new Kaleidescape Strato V movie player. Carefully cut the tape and go ahead and open the box. Here's what's included in the box. First, you'll find a separate box with all the accessories. The accessories will include an HDMI cable, an Ethernet cable, a power supply, a remote, and some extra documentation. Before you install the unit, go ahead and read through the quick setup guide. Now you can go ahead and remove the unit from the box and carefully take it out of the storage pouch. You may want to examine where your connections are on the back of the unit before installing into your system. You are now ready to install your new Kaleidescape Strato V movie player into your home theater system. You can now take the time to familiarize yourself with the brand new user interface. Once you've downloaded some movies, you're now ready to sit back, relax, and enjoy the highest quality cinematic experience your home theater has to offer with the new Kaleidescape Strato V.